Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make the most simple but yet delicious baby bok choy side dish. Let's get into it. Right guys, let's get to it. To a pot I added some butter, allow that to melt, then I went in with my baby bok choy. And we will cover this and allow it to just wilt down a bit before moving on to the next step. Once it wilts, we'll go in with our seasoning and I will add some hoisen sauce here. This is the most simple but yet delicious side dish you could ever make. We will give it a good toss, allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook them. And that's basically it, guys. When I tell you this was so delicious, you guys will truly enjoy it. Now let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. Here you have it, the most delicious but yet easy baby bok choy side dish. I did serve mine up with some rasta pasta and some chicken wings, and it was to die for. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy